Hey everyone, today is a very special day because today I will be joining a group of other riders. there should be 4 of us in total, and we are going somewhere. No one knows exactly where, but that is part of the plan to be spontaneous about it and just to go. I think there will be 3 Honda CRFs 300L. I don't know. I don't know anything about the 4th bike. We'll see. Anyway, it's what time is it? It's 8 a.m. It's Sunday, and my thermometer says it's 15 degrees, but I don't think it is. It's closer to 12. It should drop. I am wearing 4 layers of clothes, so because they said that the forecast says that it will be around 20 within the next hour, so I'm prepared, I'm layered, and yeah, that's it. At the moment, only my hands are suffering a little bit, but nothing that I cannot handle. So I'm very excited about this.
Pawlak połowę do rury spierdziela. Co za dużo to spadło. Jeszcze kurwa. Takie błoto, nie? Takie błoto. Ja nie lubię w blach odchodzić.